Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. I welcome you all in our today's English grammar class. So you have to open your English grammar book. If you have book, open your book. Lesson first, alphabetical order. We are starting our lesson first, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. In English, we read alphabet. We start reading with alphabet. So, in what sequence the alphabet comes, that is called alphabetical order. Now, we will understand in lesson. Let us understand the order in which the letters of the alphabet appear is called the alphabetical order. A dictionary is a book that lists the words of a language in an alphabetical order and gives their meaning in different or same language. Alphabetical order हमारी अल्फ़ाबेट्स जिस सीक्वेंस में आती है लाइक ए देन आफ्टर बी देन आफ्टर सी डी ई that is called alphabetical order. And dictionary, what is dictionary? In a dictionary, words are given with their meaning in the same language or other language also, maybe other language also. Okay, look at the entry word in a dictionary. Dictionary, like in a dictionary, volcano word is given, then pronunciation also given, then part of speech also given. What is which type of part of speech it is? It is a noun. Volcano, it is a noun. Meaning also given, a vent in earth crust through which molten lava and gases are ejected. Okay, so here meaning, part of speech, pronunciation, everything is given. Okay, now with a good dictionary you can do the following. These are given uses of a good dictionary. Look up the meaning of an English word you see or hear. If we want to find any meaning of any word in English, we can go to the dictionary also. Find the English translation of a word in your language. If we want a translation of any word in our language, then we also can prefer dictionary. Check the spelling of a word. If we want to correct a spelling, we can go to the dictionary. Check the plural of a noun or past tense of a verb. Find the synonym or antonym of a word. If we want the same meaning or the opposite meaning of a word, also we can go with dictionary. Check the part of a speech of a word. Find out how to say a word. Find example of use of a word in natural language. In this class, we will study about the alphabetical order in a dictionary. Read the following words given below. Here some words are given. These words are not in a proper order. Some words are given to us which is not in a proper order, which is not in a alphabetical order. First word, sing, play, run, jump, hot, cold, warm, icy. Now arrange these words in the proper order. First will come, we have to arrange these words in a alphabetical order. So first come, what comes first? From these words, first come cold, C-O-L-D, cold, then H-O-T, hot, then I-C-Y, eyes, then J-U-M-P, jump, and then P-L-A-Y, play, then R-U-N, run, then S-I-N-G, sing, and then W-A-R-M, warm. Okay? So likewise, we have to arrange this word in a alphabetical order. जो पहले आएगा लाइक अगर इन वर्ड में अगर कोई ए से स्टार्ट होती है कोई स्पेलिंग तो हम वो स्पेलिंग पहले लिखेंगे. एंड इफ द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ टू स्पेलिंग्स आर सेम, अगर दो स्पेलिंग्स में, दो वर्ड्स में फर्स्ट लेटर सेम है तो हम क्या देखेंगे, सेकंड लेटर देखेंगे. ओके. नाउ एक्सरसाइज ए, rewrite each word list in alphabetical order. We have to write this word in a alphabetical order. Ship, car, train, bus. We are given these four words: bus, car, ship, car, train, bus. So first we will write, firstly B was bus. Then after B, C. Here we have C, C-A-R, car. Then S-H-I-P, ship. And then last T-R-A-I-N, train. Okay, got it? Likewise, you have to do all this. Now let us understand, sometimes in a list of words we find that two or more words begin with the same letter. Then how would you arrange the words in a sequence? कई बार हम देखते हैं कि हमारी एक से ज़्यादा स्पेलिंग सेम लेटर से स्टार्ट हो रही है. लाइक वी आर गिवन है saucer, pilot, rain, fish, parrot, ship, tiger and notebook. You can see the spellings are starting from S, saucer and ship. Okay. So what we will write first from the saucer and ship? S, both are common. So we will see second letter. Here it is O and here it is H. So what we will write first? H comes first in alphabetical order. H comes first. So we will write first ship. Okay. Likewise, in alphabetical order, you have to arrange this also. Now exercise B. Rewrite each word list in alphabetical order. These words are given to us. We have to arrange them in a alphabetical order. Okay. Exercise C also same. Write the following words in alphabetical order. You have to, this question you have to do it. Exercise C. This is homework for you. Okay. Exercise C, that is homework for you. You have to do by your own. If you're not able, I will give you then. Okay. I hope you all understood. If you have any problem, you can tell me. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.